Hello friends, today we see the practical to determine the acceleration due to gravity g by bar pendulum. Title: to determine the acceleration due to gravity g by bar pendulum. Apparatus required for this practical: a bar pendulum, a knife edge with platform of suspending the bar pendulum, stopwatch, a meter scale and reading telescope, and etc. So this is bar pendulum. Here one knife edge is there. It is kept on this support. There are two knife edges are there. One this side and another one this side. So this is known as knife edge A and this is known as knife edge B. There are total 19 holes are there between on this bar pendulum. Balance the bar or a sharp edge and mark the position of its center of gravity. For the knife edges in the outermost hole at neither end of the bar pendulum, the knife edge should be horizontal and lie symmetrically with respect to the center of gravity of the bar. Check the spirit level that the glass plates fix the suspension for bar pendulum are horizontal. The support should be standard or perfect. Suppose suspended pendulum vertically and bar pendulum is resting the knife edge at the end A of the bar of the glass plate. Adjust the eyepiece of the telescope so that the cross wires are clearly visible through it. Focus the telescope on the lower end of the bar and put the reference mark on the wall behind the bar to donate its equilibrium position. Displace the bar slightly to one side of the equilibrium position and let it oscillate with the small amplitude. Use the stopwatch to measure the time for 20 oscillations. The time should be measured after pendulum has had a few oscillations and oscillations have become regular. Measure the distance I from center of gravity to the knife edge. Record the results in observation table. Repeat the measurement of time for 20 oscillation and take the mean. Repeat the operation 1 to 9 for other holes till center of gravity of the bar is approached where the time period becomes very large. Invert the bar and repeat the operation 1 to 10 for each hole starting from the extreme top. From the observation, plot a graph with distance of knife edge from one end of x-axis and corresponding time period on y-axis. The graph is symmetrical about y-axis. A horizontal line drawn through a given value of period. I will cut graph in 4 parts A, B, C, D and E as shown in figure. So here from one side we say that from top to middle like this graph you will get, and from bottom to again middle like this graph is there. So here A is one point, we say that B is another point, C is center, we say that D is another point and E is another point. So distance AC and C equal to L1, distance B equal to CD equal to L2, distance AD equal to B equal to L1 plus L2. So this is the observations which we have taken in observation table. So from center here we say that at 0, first hole is at 0.5 centimeter, second 10, third 15, 20, 25, 30, 40 and 45. So like this from center to top and again from center to bottom again 5, 10 like this, and for each distance we have taken 2 readings and again we take mean, and after that here we find out the time period. These readings we take for 20 oscillations, and time period means time taken for a pendulum to complete one oscillation. So here we divide mean by 20, you will get the reading that is 1 point. Here it should be 1.7 because 34 divided by 20. So this is the graph which we have drawn with the readings. And for more help, you can see this more information. You can this link. Thank you. And here also, here we draw on the picture. We can use that also. So thank you. Hello friends, this is our next experiment, that is bar pendulum. In this bar pendulum is like this. There is one suspension point and there are total 19 points are there. To these 19 points we can attach the knife edge. Now here again it is at last hole. So from the center, this is at the last end. From center the distance is 45. Now we take oscillations. Again oscillations we take like this. From here first we take one side and we move here. From this side to this it is one oscillation. This side to this it is two oscillations. Like this, for 20 oscillation we measure the time period. So again here we take time period and here we start. Now start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is your time period, that is 33.37 is for now for 45 angle. Now we suspend the bar pendulum at 30 centimeter and again we take measure the time period for 30 centimeter. So first we make it 0.